Hey Marvick, you should be able to. There might be another way to do this. Is if you go into the business settings and then down here on the left, add accounts, and then so you can see here these are all the ad accounts from our clients. So we've got like about 100, but one should come up. So it should be the Dr. Joseph Jaka. So you can see we've got Cosmos here, um, but for Dr. Joseph Jaka, that individual one. So how you can do that is go into it, and then you should have a button here that will say assign partner. Now, if you click on that link and then just drop down, so set the role as an account admin. If you copy that link and shoot it over to me, I can pull that over into our account. So just generate that link, shoot it over, and yeah, that should be all right. I try to add Joseph as a friend, but I couldn't. I don't think his page must be on private or something. So yeah. So this one here, I'm assuming is his one. I can't actually add anyone. It must be on private page. So you can do that, or you can add me as well. But you should be able to do it that way. Let me know if you have any troubles. Thanks, mate.